What's up guys, Nick here with Ohio Power Tool.
And I'm Mike.
Okay, if you're a pipe fitter, welder, or mechanical contractor, Jet's bringing some serious upgrades to how you move, lift, and support materials on the job.
These are built to take abuse, improve safety, and make your work a whole lot smoother. So let's start with the new pipe jacks and stands lineup. Jet calls this total pipe control, and they're not kidding. Every stand in this lineup is rated to handle up to 2,500 pounds and pipe up to 36 inches in diameter. Each one's loaded with safety upgrades, bright red touch points, dual locks, overextension sight holes, and high visibility V-heads. They made it easy to tell what's safe to grab and when you've hit your height limit.
First up, the folding pipe jack stand. This one's perfect for welders or fab shop guys who are constantly moving around. The folding leg design makes it easy to store or throw in the truck, but the base is still wide at over 22 inches for a great balance. It's adjustable from 27 to 46 inches, uses a 1.5 inch Acme screw, and has a balanced carry handle so you're not fighting it between jobs. And you've still got Jet's signature safety, overextension protection, captive lock ring, and the bright red V-head for visibility.
Now if you want something rock solid that just stays put, check out the fixed pipe jack stand. This guy has a fully welded base, wide stance, and zero setup. Just drop it down and go. It's ideal for shop work where stability is everything. You get the same 2,500 pound capacity and 27 to 46 inch height range, but the fixed leg design really shines for heavy weldments or alignment jobs. Plus that 10 inch V-head gives you a wide, steady platform for precise fit-ups.
This one's a beast like Mike here. The adjustable roller stand handles pipe up to 36 inches in diameter. The adjustable rollers lets fine-tune spacing for whatever pipe you're working on, and there's even a brake system to lock rotation mid-weld or cut. It's got a 33 inch by 23 inch stance, steel rollers with grease zerks for easy maintenance, and all with a comfortable 33 inch working height.
Oh wow, greasy zerks?
The zerks be zerking.
That they do. This one blends portability with precision. The folding pipe jack stand with steel rollers. Perfect for mobile welders or installers who need to move fast but still need control. It supports 2,500 pounds and pipe up to 24 inches with 1.25 inch wide steel rollers to reduce drag on heavy loads. Adjustable from 29 to 48 inches. Folds down small, and this one too includes grease zerks and lock rings.
And for the big leagues, the 5-leg pipe jack with casters. This is the ultimate combination of stability and mobility. 5 legs mean zero wobble. Even with the off-center loads, the PVC coated locking casters roll quietly and lock tight, while the 1.5 inch steel rollers handle pipe up to 36 inches. You've got an extra long handle for easier height adjustments and reinforced plates where it counts. And it's all backed by Jet's 2-year warranty. And yeah, you're going to feel the difference when you roll it across the shop floor.
Alright, let's move over to Jet material lifts. These things are a game changer for contractors, maintenance teams, and facility crews. The whole system is designed to make lifting safer, faster, and way easier on your body. No more cranking your shoulder off after a few lifts. You can lift up to 650 pounds to 12, 18, or 24 feet depending on your model, and every single one has a drill-drivable winch system. Just chuck in your cordless drill and let it do the work.
There are 4 operating modes: standard lift, counterbalance lift, storage, and transit mode. Counterbalance is a typical go-to as it lets you lift flush against the wall with no leg interference. You just need the Jet Counterbalance Dolly and you're golden. The storage mode keeps it compact, and transit mode lets you tilt and roll through doorways without wrestling the mast.
Starting small but mighty, the 12-foot material lift. Same 650 pound capacity, but it's compact and super mobile for HVAC, mechanical, or electrical contractors. Has a drill-drivable winch, internal brake, folding legs, and forklift pockets. It's all about control and convenience. And with those 6-inch casters, you can roll it across the job site without breaking a sweat.
Next up, the 18-foot model, perfect middle ground for most commercial contractors. Still the same 650 pounds of lifting power, but with more reach for multi-level installs. You've got all the same safety systems: internal mast brake, wide stance, counterbalance compatibility, and it fits through standard doorways thanks to the tilting mast.
And finally, the 24-footer. This is for high bay warehouses, facility maintenance, or industrial installs. Full height, full confidence. That internal brake keeps it locked in place even under load, and it still rolls like a dream. It's rare to get this much reach and mobility in one system, and Jet has nailed it.
And you know, Mike, for more versatility, Jet's got a full line of attachments like the Counterbalance Dolly, which gives you that flush wall lift capability without any tools or bolts. That fork extension kit for handling wider loads or panels slides right on, no hassle. And the fan favorite, the Adjustable Pipe Cradle Kit. It's the first of its kind, perfect for HVAC and plumbing pros who need to set and align duct or pipe without swapping setups.
Jet's new pipe jack stands and material lifts are all about giving you total control on the ground or in the air. Heavy duty, smartly designed, and backed by Jet's reputation for reliability and that 2-year warranty. If your job demands stability, safety, and speed, these are built for you.
You can check out the full lineup right now at ohiopowertool.com. We'll drop the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below as well. What's the heaviest or most challenging lift you've handled on the job? We want to hear how you'd put these Jet pipe jacks and material lifts to work.
Thanks for watching.
Get back to work.
Okay. I love greasy zerks.
Okay.